students. Now in this video we will see about the laws of reflection. Okay, and in laws of reflection we came to know in the previous video we have seen that when a ray of light incident on a plane surface, there will be reflection of light. Okay, means how the ray of light will be reflected. The ray of light will be reflected to with an angle r, and incident ray will be reflected with a normal making an angle I. So this all angle of incidence is always equal to angle of reflection. In case of reflection क्या होगा? Again we will draw the figure. This is the incident ray, this is the reflected ray, and this is the normal. Okay, n is the normal. The angle made by the incident ray, if I say it is PO Q, so PO is called as what? Incident ray. PON is called as what? Angle I, which is given by PON, which is called as incident angle. Okay, similarly R is called as NOQ, is what? Reflected angle. The angle made by the incident ray, normal and the reflected ray is called as what? Reflected angle. Clear हो गया? And this we are considering AB is the plane surface of the mirror. So it is a plane surface of the mirror, and this whole complete phenomena is called as what? Reflection. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Reflection कहेंगे. तो reflection में हमें क्या याद रखना है? हमें याद रखना है incident ray and reflected ray and the normal. Clear हो गया? So next comes the, now we'll study about the, we'll going to study about the detail of this reflection. So reflection, actually now we have to study about the laws of reflection. This was studied by Dr. Snell. Snell, the name of the scientist who studied this reflection, and he has given the laws of reflection. So what the laws of reflection says? It says that the incident ray the reflected ray, okay, the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. फर्स्ट लॉ क्या कहता है? द इंसिडेंट रे, द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड द नॉर्मल एट द पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंस ऑल लाई इन द सेम प्लेन. यह है फर्स्ट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. हु हैज गिवन दिस लॉ? डॉक्टर स्नेल. ओके, सेकेंड लॉ इज व्हाट? द एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस is equal to angle of reflection. Angle of incidence is what? Is equal to angle of reflection. Means angle I is equal to angle R. Always the, in case of reflection, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection, and this angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is very important for your understanding of laws of reflection. कभी भी क्या होगा? इंसिडेंट रे एंड इंसिडेंट एंगल एंड रिफ्लेक्टेड एंगल दोनों के दोनों क्या रहेंगे? इक्वल रहेंगे. तो दिस इज योर लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. क्लियर हो गया? सो रिफ्लेक्शन के केस में हमें क्या याद रखना है, क्या क्या पॉइंट्स हमें याद रखना है, हमें याद रखना है इंसिडेंट एंगल, रिफ्लेक्टेड एंगल, normal. Okay, which is the normal here in this figure? NO is the normal. When normal means it is a perpendicular line which is not deviating at all, जो bend नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, so PO is the incident ray with the, now it is making an angle with the normal. What is incident angle? Similarly, reflected ray is OQ, which is making an angle with normal. So this angle is called as a reflected angle and this angle is called as the incident angle. So always incident angle is equal to the reflected angle. Okay, अब next concept is the plane mirrors. Now we have to study about the plane mirrors in detail. Now in this plane mirror, what happens? In a plane mirror, image is always virtual. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्लेन मिरर में जो इमेज बनता है, हमारा जो चेहरा देखते हैं हम, वो जो इमेज है वो कैसा है? वर्चुअल है. मिरर में जो इमेज दिखता है ना अपना चेहरा, वो क्या है? कौन सा इमेज है? ये वर्चुअल है. ओके, इट इज़ वर्चुअल एरेक्ट. एरेक्ट का मतलब क्या होता है? सीधा. ओके, एंड it is at the same distance. Okay, second thing, ये जो प्लेन मिरर है, प्लेन मिरर के अंदर जो इमेज आएगा, दिस इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड, इट इज ऑलवेज लैटरली इन्वर्टेड. लैटरली इन्वर्टेड का मतलब क्या है? सपोज मैंने हाथ में पेन लिया है. ओके, हाथ में पेन लेके मैं मिरर में देख रहा हूँ. सो व्हाट विल सी? यू विल सी दैट द पेन इज माई ऑन द, if I am taking the pen on the right hand, it seems as if I have taken that on the left hand. If I have taken the left hand, it will be seems as it is on the right hand. This is called as a laterally inverted. Okay. Second thing, total images are formed by an object placed between mirror is depending upon the angle theta. Suppose दो mirror हमने ले लिए. Okay. So if we consider total number of images is equal to n. Okay, and when an object is placed between two mirrors we have taken, two plane mirrors are taken. Okay, which is making an angle theta. कितना एंगल बना रहे हैं वो? theta. Like this. Suppose I will draw this figure. तो ये क्या है? दो प्लेन मिरर ले लिए मैंने, इसको इंक्लाइन कर दिया बाय एन एंगल थीटा. तो इधर जो इमेज बनेगा, नंबर ऑफ इमेज जो बनेगा, वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? फॉर्मूले के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है. और वो कितना होगा? इट हाउ विल यू से दैट? n is equal to 360 by theta minus 1. Okay, n is equal to 360 degree upon theta minus 1. 360 divided by theta minus 1. If 360 by theta is even, ध्यान से सुनो, if 360 by theta is even, then what will happen? And second is what? If n is equal to 360 by theta is odd, जब इवन और ऑड रहेगा उसके ऊपर इमेज बनेंगे. ओके, इफ n इज इक्वल टू नंबर ऑफ इमेजेस फॉर्म्ड इज गिवन बाय टू फार्मूला. एक है इवन के लिए और दूसरा है ऑड के लिए. इवन के लिए क्या फार्मूला है? 360 बाई थीटा माइनस 1. ऑड के लिए कितना है? 360 बाई थीटा. तो ऑड नंबर ऑफ इमेज बनेंगे कब? 360 बाई थीटा ऑड रहेगा तो. Okay, means n is equal to 360 by theta odd, and it is 360 minus theta. Okay, so here the image formed is given by n is equal to 360 minus 1. ये 360 माइनस वन कब लेंगे, जब ये ऑड रहेगा, तो इस 360 माइनस वन कब रहेगा, इवन रहेगा, तो और 360 बाई थीटा कब रहेगा, ऑड नंबर. ओके.